Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in today's lecture, we will start the chapter number 3 of mathematics, logarithm. So firstly, we will discuss some its short questions or its definitions. So let us start our lecture. Please give attention to this lecture, which is a basic foundation for the chapter of logarithm. So let us start. Topic is short questions. Question number 1. Who gave the idea of logarithm? Abu Muhammad Musa Al-Khwarizmi gave the idea of logarithm. Question number 2. Who prepared logarithm table with base e, which is known as natural logarithm? So this mathematician name is John Napier. Question number 3. Who prepared logarithm table with base 10, which is known as common logarithm? Answer is Professor Henry Briggs. In question number 4, who prepared anti-logarithm table? Answer is Jobst-Burgi prepared anti-logarithm tables in 1620 AD. And in question 5, define scientific notation. Answer is a number written in the form a multiplied 10 power n is called the scientific notation. For example, 1.5 multiplied 10 power 18 and 1.7 multiplied 10 to the power minus 24. So this form of number is known as scientific notation. In question 6, define ordinary notation. Answer is a number written in the form 635,000 is called ordinary notation. In question number 7, as we know about scientific notation and ordinary notation, so we have to solve mathematically, convert the following into scientific notation. We have to change this ordinary notation into scientific notation. It means we can change scientific notation into ordinary notation or ordinary notation into scientific notation. So convert the following into scientific notation. First is 30600, which is ordinary notation. In part 2, 0.000058 is also an ordinary notation. So we have to change these ordinary notation into scientific notation. First part is 30600. Here is the position of decimal, which we have to travel along our left side, and this decimal will overlap 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So actual place is place of decimal is this. So 3.06 multiply 10 power 4, as decimal travel 4 digits towards left. In part 2, 0.000058, here is the position of decimal is this. So we have to take this decimal between 5 and 8. So this decimal will travel to the right side as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So this is the power of 10, as it traveled to right side, so we have to notify 10 power minus 5. So its scientific notation is 5.8 multiply 10 power minus 5. These scientific notations can be converted into ordinary notation as ordinary notations can be converted into scientific notation. Dear students, I hope you will understand these questions. You have to write these questions on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of Native. Allah Hafiz.